Hi, my name is Kath and I work for Sally Holland, the Children's Commissioner for Wales. And this month I'd like to talk to you about Article 24, your right to good food, clean water and see a doctor if you're ill. And this month is also World Health Day. Now across the world people have different access to food and water and medical care. So your options, I'm going to give you three little challenges you can choose. Is firstly, you could think about the food you eat and draw an eat well plate and think about what food children need to grow up happy, healthy and safe. Healthy, really, what is on that plate. Or challenge two is to think about how we use water, so we don't waste it. So see if you can count how many times you use water in a day, brushing your teeth, flushing the loo, drinking water, and is there any ways you can reduce that? And question three, or challenge three, is to think about the people that help keep us well. So apart from doctors, who is there that we can turn to when we're feeling unwell? So you can explore your right to good food, clean water, and seek medical care if you are not feeling well. Good luck.